how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Google Meet for later. So let's dive right in. Open up a Google Chrome and then head over to the 9 dots in the top right, and this will open up the Google Apps. Now go to Meet and then tap on New Meeting and tap on Schedule in Google Calendar. Now Google Calendar will open up and you can schedule the meet for later. So you can put in a title and then you can put in the day, and then you can put in the time from when to when, and you can even put the end date. Then you can also take all day if you want to, and then put it on repeat, and then you can add location, and even you can get reminders uh, like 5 minutes, like 30 minutes before the meeting. And then you can even put in a description, and then you can add guests from here by putting in their email address. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.